Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to solve the problem of Bluetooth headphones not working. One works and the other does not work, or the sound is unbalanced. A simple solution only from your phone settings, but you must follow the steps before broadcasting in the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supports me now. Let's go to the hair. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. An important note, if your phone settings are not my phone settings, that's okay. At the end of the video, I will explain to you how to solve the problem and reach the problem-solving interface without these steps. We complete the month after going to the settings. We click on the accessibility feature. After that, we click on accessibility, and here we will click on the sound balance. In these settings, you must make this option in the middle, not like this, and not like this. Make it only in the middle until the sound is balanced and both headphones work. I hope that the problem is solved for you. For any problems, for any inquiries, for any suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.